guys, I'm Shrinya and welcome to Purple Seashells. Today we'll be making easy phone holder. Using the phone holder is much easier than using your hands. The materials you'll need are a tissue roll, some paint, and decorative items. I'm done painting my tissue roll. Now let it dry. This is how it looks like once dried. Let's flatten it a little. And now let's cut it in a check mark shape. Here it is. Now let's curve the edges. Here is our phone holder so far. Now it's time to decorate. You'll need decorative items. I'm using washi tape and some pom-poms. Here are our finished phone holders. Now let's try them. You can put the pom-poms in any way you like. You can use any types of phones for this. I hope you try out this easy, fun phone holder. If you like this video, give it a big thumbs up. Bye! Thank you. Please subscribe to Purple Seashells.